we have a lot of plans. We have a lot of, and we'll start already in Q4 because all our plans are ready now. Everything is on the road, and we will start leveraging the Olympic Games by Q4 through a tactical campaign. We'll have also above the lines means television, digital initiatives, a tactical event, and along next year till the Olympics and during the Olympics we have a major celebration, and you will have a lot of visibility of the Adidas brand through outdoor, through events. We'll bring the game in different cities in China to ensure that the population is really celebrating the games with us. So we have a major plan along the way to win the Olympic Games. It's what we call the GeoCity store. So part of the statement we want to do, ensuring that our consumer has a full Adidas experience and understand the overall Adidas world. It will be the largest store at that time. Will be the largest store in the world, close to 3,000 square meter. On the 3 floor, and the overall range of Adidas, so at the minimum on the originals, on the Y3 with Yamamoto, on the Adidas performance product, will be displayed, will be experienced by our consumer, and we have I think a major statement in Beijing during the game. A lot of respect for the competition, and it's a good competition, either on the local brands in China as the global brand like the one you just said, but we'll become number one clearly, and we know already that we're on track for simple reason that we can see that we are developing faster than our competition. We know already that we are close to be number one, and we could be number one by the end of the year, but now I want to have sustainable quarter to ensure that we have a clear dominant number one in the market. What do? We certainly do a far better job by localizing our product and our strategy. We certainly do a far better job to be at the hearing, at the listening of our consumer deeper, and definitely the fact that now we are rolling out as a major actor for the Olympic Games means that the people will perceive us as a clear number one, and I'm sure the consumption will follow behind that. So we can see today already that we may pass them by the end of the year. We're clearly number one next year. Each brand have their space, each brand have their territory, each brand have their clear segmentation. Like Reebok is much more towards women's, much more towards fitness, much more towards run easy, much more towards walking, much more so towards an American tone like the American football, etc. When Adidas is clearly a performance brand on track, on field, performance brand on the team side. So we have clear territory. A leading brand in football, soccer, they would say on the other side of the Atlantic or the Pacific, wherever you locate yourself. But I would say it's clear, we have a clear differentiation plan in the category for each brand. We are building a backbone office for all brands to ensure that we have a better efficiency on how do we operate our brand. We have the best benchmark that we share together, but from a brand perspective, they all remain extremely identified. We face number of issues that corporation face. Means the extension is always linked with people. You need to have the right people, the right talent in your organization, in the right job and with the right attitude. So that is always never easy to recruit the right people who can attract them, and we need to ensure we develop them properly. Then after that, it's clear that we need to be much more consumer focused, much more consumer centric, and we need to move today organize a commercial transformation for Adidas. So we will change our organization, and that will always take time because you need even to deepen the culture towards consumer with the IT tools and the infrastructure. So that's where you need to go with the speed in this region. That's the challenge, and I know there was sometimes people saying have you any issue with counterfeit to block your development, and counterfeit is a problem for everybody. Now, does it block our progress? No, because stronger we are, less counterfeit there is. Stronger we are, more the consumer understand what a genuine product and a real Adidas experience is. So for us, whatever we are taking care, controlling, it's not the best answer is let's do the best as a brand, and I'm sure that along the way our consumer know who we are and they will buy the genuine product.